First one of the day is this Harley Davidson Breakout. This is a returning client. Did do this a few years back, but he wants it freshened up, minted for the summer ahead. So we're going to do one of our Full Works packages on this with a nice dose of signature 4K ceramic. We'll get it washed, decontaminated. We'll get it in the studio. I'm going to do some machine polishing. Got a couple of little tiny marks on the paintwork, nothing major. And then we're going to polish every bit of chrome, and then we're going to airbrush the ceramic on every nook and cranny of this. Just need a bit of sunshine. Okay, back in the studio with this stunning Harley Davidson Breakout. It's been fully washed, decontaminated, and blow dried. We're just doing a bit of a paint inspection. Got a few marks on it. Don't know whether it's been rubbed down with some bad cloths or what, but we're gonna do some machine polishing on this paintwork before we put any ceramic on. Tell you what, people, when you clean your bikes, you've really got to use a soft microfiber. This paint on these bikes nowadays is so soft, it doesn't take much to scratch it. We're going to do a two-stage machine polish on all this bodywork. We're going to polish every single bit of chrome on this. We use the latest Auto Smart Metallics. That leaves a protective waterproof coating as well. So every bit of chrome is going to get polished. I'm going to machine polish these wheels, machine polish all the bodywork, and then we're going to apply the signature 4K ceramic. We're going to airbrush it on every nook and cranny of this bike. Once all this paintwork is all spot on, then we're going to airbrush the ceramic. I will apply it by hand to the wheels and to the bodywork, but the engine, all the chrome, everything is going to get airbrushed. So let's get it polished, crack on with some machine polishing and get this chrome looking like it should, and then we'll apply some ceramic. All right, cracking on with this Harley. Look at that paintwork. Just done a couple of stages of polishing on that. Managed to get rid of those spider webs. Still working on this back, but just doing a bit on this frame. See how dull it looks? Couple of little passes with me flex machine. Like I said previously, there's no sense in putting ceramic on paintwork that's got any flaws in it, so we try to make it as good as possible before we apply any ceramic. That little buff off. Oh, look at that. So much better. Anyways, gonna wipe all this polish off, get it off the tank. Got some mirror polishing to do on those levers, and then we're going to get the airbrush out and we're going to start applying the ceramic. Okay, everything has now been polished. All the chrome, all the paintwork, and now we've prepped it. We use an alcohol mixture just to remove any wax residues. Okay, we're gonna use the Signature Pro on all the lower half. We will apply this with the airbrush to all the chrome, all the motor, swing arm frame, and the wheels. Once that's cured, we'll then buff it all off, and the bodywork is going to get the signature quartz. This is a self-healing ceramic, so should help with the black. Any little minor scratches, spider webs, things like that, should help with that in the future. So, like I said, we're gonna airbrush all the lower half with the Signature Pro, and then we'll apply the Signature Quartz to the top. So let's get cracking. And there you go. This stunning Harley has now been fully trotted. Good old Harley Breakout. This has had one of our legendary Full Works packages. Look at the freaking gloss on that. Every nook and cranny of this bike has been attended to and then sealed with the Signature 4K ceramic. We airbrushed the Signature Pro on all the lower half, and we've done 2 coats of the Signature Quartz on all the bodywork. That is a self-healing ceramic, so should help with any minor scratches in the future. Spider webs, look at the deep gloss on that. Absolutely gleaming. Even the frame has all been polished and coated. All the wheels have been polished and coated. Now fully protected for the years ahead. This bike we did a few years back. That's why it still looks the way it does. There's not a speck of rust on this. Absolutely gleaming. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. What are you waiting for? Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963. Get your bike looking like this. More than anything, get it properly protected. Signature 4K ceramic doing their thing.